Hey guys, today we're going to make chicken wings in the air fryer. Grab your favorite bag of Tyson frozen wings. Preheat your air fryer. I use the Ninja Foodie air fryer and it tells you when to add food, as you see. Place a sheet of aluminum foil in the basket and give it a spritz of olive oil. Add your frozen chicken wings and season them with your favorite seasoning. Air fry for 12 to 15 minutes. They come out crispy and delicious. If you don't have a Ninja air fryer, use any kind. Add your frozen wings and air fry at 360 for 18 minutes. Another crispy batch of chicken wings. The perfect low-carb snack. These little guys are perfect for dipping. Make sure you head over to SusieQPI.com for the full recipe.